everyone, and welcome back to our video series on emotions. In some of our videos, our other friends shared their thoughts about emotions, such as anger in the color red, sadness or guilt in the color blue, or joy in the color yellow. Today, we're going to talk about fear. When I think of fear, I think of the color purple. Purple reminds me of something that is dark and mysterious. Now, there are a lot of different fears that people can have. For example, I'm terrified of snakes. My dog is afraid of really loud noises, like thunder. Some people might be afraid of getting a shot or having a surgery. Others might be afraid that someone they love is going to feel sick, or that they might feel sick again after feeling better for a while. It is totally normal for everyone to feel fears, and there are a lot of other fears that you might feel. So when we feel fear, a lot of different things can happen in our body. For example, you might feel that your hands get all sweaty and shaky, or your heart might beat really, really fast. Your stomach could get so topsy-turvy that you feel you might just throw up. Or you might find it hard to take really deep breaths. Have you ever felt any of these things? Or what do you feel when you feel fear? So why do we feel fear? Fear exists because our brains want to keep our bodies and the people that we love safe. Whenever we see something that is unfamiliar, our brain wonders, what if it's dangerous? What if I don't like it or someone gets hurt? Right now, my fear is that I'm going to make a mistake in this video. What if I get embarrassed or someone laughs at me? Sometimes it's a good thing to feel fear. It could keep us from doing something dangerous. Other times, our fears can become unhealthy. This happens when our fears make us feel sick, or when we feel so much fear and for so long that we can't feel any other emotions. When this happens, it is important to make sure we know how to keep our brains and our bodies calm, so that we can still do the things that are important to us. This doesn't mean that we have to get rid of our fears completely. It just means that we need to be able to set them aside long enough to feel other emotions too. When I feel that my fears are getting too big, I do 3 things. The first is to either talk to my family or pet my puppy. They are very good at being calm, so it helps me to feel calm too. The second thing that I like to do is to close my eyes and take a deep breath in like I'm smelling flowers. And then I let it out like I'm blowing bubbles. This helps me feel a little less shaky and helps my heart slow down just a little bit. The third thing that I like to do is to either draw or paint. If you like to draw too, you should check out the link at the end of this video. Maybe you can use it to create a story about your fears. Maybe at the beginning, you can draw what your fears might look like. Then in the middle, you can draw what you like to do to make your fears feel smaller or to go away. And then at the end, you can draw what you look and feel like after your fears are gone. These are just the tools that I use to help myself when my fears get too big. So what activities do you like to do to help your fears feel smaller? Don't forget to try those out the next time you feel afraid, or you can always check out the links in the description.